Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5070773 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So if you see retry option, first of all check if there is retry option. If there is retry option, hit retry and then check. If that does not work, over here you can see pause. So click on pause update over here, and it may take some time to pause the update. Now once paused, now hit resume updates over here and then you can check. Next step is to restart these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic over here. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click once again and then restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on automatic, select automatic, apply, hit start if highlighted and then click on OK. Again make a right click and then click on restart and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only and then click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. This will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete, run the third scan. So copy this command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070773, and you can search this update over here. Now let me change the language over here. So first of all, type in WINVER in WinVer in Windows search box and then click on WinVer and check the version. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check your version and then you can go to Windows settings and over here go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and then check the system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and here you can see KB5070773. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction and then install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. For this you can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option and then go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once the repair is done, you will see a repair version of 25H2 once this is complete, and then you can try to update, install this update and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. This is the last step. You go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept over here and then select Windows. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. So click on next over here and select ISO file over here and then click on next, and you can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish option and let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, make a double click and then click on yes to allow. Click on next over here and then click on accept, and here ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked over here. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can try to install this update. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.